banks and banks of humming machinery. I've never seen so many knobs. Here, try that button over there. No. Check that button over there.
I've got a little hard drive. Poor little hard drive. Poor Horatio. I am just curious about cats and all of that. It's dead. Even says it. Dead. I want to know what's inside of it. I've heard these particular drives are not just a regular drive on the inside, so you can't put them in your computer. There's definitely something wrong with it, so I just want to know what's inside of it. Let's get destructive. God, that was easier than I thought. This would be like welded shut. You couldn't even get into it. Whee! All right. Interesting. Has some sort of connector on it, but yeah. You definitely cannot. It's a really thick drive, too. Look at that. Yeah. The USB connector is right on the board. Short cable. Spinning up. And no good. I'm going to try an old experiment. You put these in a freezer. Yes, it's fresh from the freezer. Hard drive. Let's see if we get anything out of it. Got it in an extension. I don't know if that's going to bother it at all. Spinning up. Yeah, it doesn't see it. Let's plug it directly in. Yep, it's just flashing. Same as before. Head over to the system report. As you can see, this is the drive as it's hooked in. But it's still getting the flashing light. It just doesn't want to run. Switch over to disk utility. And it's just stuck spinning. So, yeah, something is up. I think it's the actual drive itself. So let's take this puppy apart. Check out the big toolkit. Find out what size bit this is. There it is. Shiny. I can keep this power.